Hi there, welcome back to the new video, and in this video I will show you how you can create a bar chart. So yeah, bar chart, without bar chart every visualization tutorial is incomplete because this is the most favorite chart and most easy to understand chart. And now in Seaborn I will show you how you can create a bar chart. But before I move ahead, apart from all the tutorials that I've shared, if you want to see anything else in the Seaborn tutorial, you let me know in the comments and I'll try to create a chart about it and post it here in the channel. Alright, so the data that we have been using, if you're following my previous videos, it's the sales data. So just to show you the data set, this is what the data set looks like. So if I press DD, it will be removed, but it is close to real data set, again based on some dummy sales store. It's about all the orders which have been served by that sales store. So what do we want to create is the bar chart. So SNS dot not the bar, cat plot, category plot, because bar chart is nothing but the category plot, where on the x-axis you have categories, on the y-axis you have the continuous variable. So x equals to, let's say, product category, and y equals to, let's say, sales data equals to sales, and kind equals to bar. Oops, okay, could not interpret product category. All right, data equals to sales, so no problem. What we want is sales dot columns, and it will show us the columns. Product category, I think that's what I have written over here. Product category. I think this doesn't make any issue, the single quotation. Sales, let me just recheck. Could not interpret input product category. SNS dot cat plot. Let me add this. Yeah, so maybe I made some mistake over there while writing it. So it's a very simple chart. Over here you have the error bars, and on the categories you have the three different categories and their respective values. So it's a very simple and straightforward bar chart in the Seaborn, but you can make it complex by adding more parameter like hue. You want to see it, let's say, by shipping mode, right? So all these three different shipping mode is basically will be displayed over here along with their error bars. Apart from this, like you have seen in the previous videos, you have a lot of different options, like how do you want hue, whether you want row, like for each individual row you want to have some values. For example, if you have not seen the previous video, row equals to, let's say, customer segment, and this will produce for small business, this is the chart. For consumer, this is the chart. For corporate, this is the chart. So for each customer segment, it will create a chart. So sort of a loop. But if you want in one single column, you can specify call, and you will get all these four different charts: small business, consumer, corporate, and home office in one single row for better comparison perspective. But yeah, you can evaluate all those different options which are there. As you know, these are pretty straightforward, but require some time if you are not using it right. But down there you have a lot of explanation, and over here some examples like how to put it, and you can take an advantage of that. But yeah, if there is anything where you are finding difficulty, let me know into the comments, and I'll try to reply with the answer if I know, and hopefully that will help you. And maybe one last thing which I will just inform you about: changing the orientation. So right now it's a vertical chart, but if you want horizontal, well, it's a straightforward. There is no parameter over here, but what you can do is I will just remove this these two parameters just to make it like little simple. However, it will not have any problem if we are keeping that. So we will just say y equals to product category and x equals to sales. That's it. And you will have a chart like that. So if you may wonder or maybe searching for a parameter for the horizontal chart like this, then that's not there. You just need to change the x and y categories like I just did, and you will find a good looking bar chart over here as per your needs. So that's about it. Let me know what do you how did you find it in the comments, and I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.